Hey guys, how y'all doing? Look at my strawberry collection. This is from one day. I just picked all these. There's almost a pound of strawberries here. And that came from one bed, which is that guy right there, which I have to keep covered with the screen because the animals are going in and taking little bites of strawberries and then just leaving the rest of it. So this is the screen that I used to put over these arches. These are PVC pipe that we attached with clamps. I don't know if you can see those clamps or not. And then we bent them and made arches. And then I attached screen to 2x2s and to weigh them down. And then the screen draped over to the other side. And then here for the ends, I just took pieces of screen and I cut it to shape and I fastened it with safety pins. Those eventually rusted out, but all my beds were being decommissioned, and this is just what came up this year. I planted these strawberries years ago. This bed is not doing very well. This was a different type of strawberry, and it never really took off very well. So I'm leaving this one alone for the animals to get to. But yeah, that's what I got in one day from one bed. It is a hot mess in there because I haven't been taking the runners out or anything. And so it's wild in there right now. But just thought I'd show you what I have to work with today. I think I'm gonna make a pie or something, because that's way too many for my breakfast cereal. That's what I've been doing. Every day I've been coming out here and I've been able to get like 6 to 10, sometimes 12 every day for the past week. But then today I was picking them and they kept going and going and going, and I got to the point where there was just too many to use on my cereal. And so then I started picking the ones that aren't quite ripe. Like normally I would wait until they get that red. But then because I was getting so many of them, I just started picking the ones that I would leave until tomorrow or the next day. Because now I've got almost a pound here and I can just make a dessert. Alright, hope you guys are doing well. Bye.